Hello friends, welcome back to Money, Business and Finance with Savan Kumar. Let us continue talking about sales. And when we talk about sales, there's one problem that all of us face is that our customers either do not have the time or they do not have the money. We have already spoken about the time factor. Now let us talk about the money factor. Tell me one thing, since your childhood, how many times has something stopped you from buying something that you really wanted to buy because of money? Not a lot of times. If we really want something to buy, yeah, definitely it is not way beyond my budget or something like that. But if it is something that is within my budget and I can buy if I try a little, I do everything that I can do to buy that particular thing. It could be my favorite car, it could be my favorite bike or whatever it was. Since your very childhood to today, money has never been a factor. If you really wanted to buy something, you would have been ready to go to any limits, whether it was convincing your parents, convincing a bank to give you a loan or whatever it was. You did your very best to get the money that you wanted to buy something for. So that is exactly the same with your customers. There is never ever a shortage of money. But if you say this to yourself, the moment you are out to make a sale, if you say this to yourself that yes, it might be that the customer does not have money. Yes, it is quite possible because the time is not good, the economy is not doing well, there is a recession. If you say all of these things to yourself about the money problems, then it would not come as a surprise to you when the customer says you that. And because you are already sold on the fact that the customer might have money problem, the moment he gives you that objection that he does not have the money to buy your product, you accept that objection and you take it for real and you believe that he does not have the money, even though your product is good, even though he wants to buy your product, but he does not have the money, and you just lose the sales. When the very fact is that he is not ready, he is not willing to put an effort to get the money that he needs to buy your product because he does not consider it of that value. You need to understand as a salesperson that the thing is not of enough value that the customer would go beyond his limits, maybe if needed, to buy the product. If it is about taking a loan, going on an EMI, going on a debt or whatever it is, if he considers your product to be of that value to him, money would not stop him from buying that thing. Money would actually be the last thing that would stop him from buying that thing. If he considers it to be of value, if he is all in about buying the product, he will buy the product. There's nothing that can stop him except you. You need to stop saying this to yourself that customer does not have the money. That customer is poor man, he cannot buy this. Then why at first place did you reach out to him? When you reached out to him, you believed, you understood that he had the resources to buy the product, but suddenly, because you were sold on the fact that there is a recession in the economy is not doing well, so it is possible that he might not have the money, and you accept that fact that he does not have the money. Trust me, it is never the case. There is always enough amount of money outside. It is all dependent, it is all based on what we believe as salesmen that the money is available or is not available. If I believe that the money is available, I will do everything under my part to make sure that the customer gets the money that he needs, maybe in terms of finance, maybe in terms of a debt or whatever it is, but either I will make sure or the customer will make sure to go to any limits to buy that product if he really needs it. You should be ready to go to any limit, and if you are sure about it, your customer will be sure about it. There is no question about it. But if you are at the very first place not sold about this fact, if you at the first place is not sold about the fact that there is no shortage of money, money is available, it is about the value that you need to create, you won't make a sale. Make sense? Great. So ask me of any questions if you have, and I'll be happy to answer you. Until then, have a great day with me, Savan Kumar. Have a good evening. Bye bye.